Hello, what's up my YouTube friends? It's your boy again, Glory George, and guess what guys, in today's video I'm gonna make it up by sharing to you guys the trend line trading strategy, or actually how I trade with the trend, right? So guys, if you're new here to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I share more of my trading strategy and a lot of things. If you want to join my Telegram group, the link is also gonna be in the description box, right? So guys, I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any question or you have any idea to share with the community, please leave it down there in the comment section. So thanks for all of that, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for returning back to the channel. Let's get straight into this video. So the first thing that I love doing, if you're already familiarize yourself with my channel, or actually what I love doing in my channel, is that before I actually take you to the real charts, I love to show you the picture of how trading with the trend or trading trend line actually looks like. So I'm gonna be making use of this my tool right here. I'm gonna be making use of this tool. So first, you guys know that there are three types of trend. We have the uptrend or the bullish trend, the one that's actually going up. We have the bearish trend or the downtrend, that's the one that's actually going down. And then we have the sideways or the consolidating trend, which is an indecision trend, or a trend that signifies no upwards movement and no downwards movement. That's the market is just moving sideways. So guys, how do I trade with the trend, or what is this trend line strategy? For example, we have an uptrend. Let me actually say that we have an uptrend, all right? Now the market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and this particular one, higher lows, right? Now the first thing you want to do is to draw a trend line, and that trend line should connect this point. Actually, let me draw it well. Okay, let me draw it well so that you guys can actually get the picture well. Okay, so guys, this is my trend line. Sorry for this guys, I just want you guys to see something. Let's make this touch. Let's make this touch well. Okay, or let me just draw my line first, then yeah, this is more perfect guys, right? So now the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. Now we know that when the market touched this our trend line, it moved all the way up, touched our trend line again here, moved all the way up, touched our trend line here again, moved all the way up. Now a lot of traders, we have this on in their mind that when the market touched that trend line again, is also going to go up. Now when the market touches this trend line again, they'll also be anticipating same thing, that the market is going to go up. They'll place their stop loss just down below here and put their take profit at this previous resistance level, and boom, it takes up their take profit, and then they are making money. But there are two ways of trading this trend line. Either you want to trade the continuation of this trend, or the breakout or reversal of this trend line. Let me not speak a lot of English to confuse a lot of you, and let me just go straight into the chart. So as you guys can see, I've already I've already pictured out an example of two. I've already pictured out two examples that I'll use in explaining what trend line actually means, right? So I want to zoom this inside so that you guys can actually see it well, because if I do it this particular way, I won't be seeing it that way, like the way I want to see it. But let me just do it that way. So guys, we have this our first touch right here. The market touches our trend line, moved all the way down, touched this our trend line again, moved all the way down. Let me just zoom this better. Now guys, look at this. The market touches our trend line here and moved all the way up, came again, touches our trend line again, moved all the way down, touched our trend line again and moved all the way down. Now guys, the market touched here, and when the thing came this third time, a lot of you traders will be anticipating to actually short this market, that is to make this market to fall. Now the market actually fall. Now you are actually on the right path of trading. Now a lot of traders, they also anticipate same thing when the market actually come here. But what happened when the market come here? The market did not fall anymore. The market broke through our trend line. Now that's where a lot of traders actually fail this thing. Now the market broke through, came here. A lot of traders, because they saw that the market came here and fell all the way down, came here and fell all the way down, came here and fell all the way down. Now they also think that when the market come here, they'll just carelessly jump into the trade short, and boom guys, it will hit their stop loss and start going all the way up. So how do you avoid this thing? I actually know when I draw trend line like this, right? We have seen the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, now the fourth touch. Before I actually jump in for a sell or for a buy, I'm waiting for what I call signal or confirmation. Now when I'm actually trading this, if the market comes to this other point, I'm actually looking for actually two types of candlestick pattern. I'm just waiting for a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, right? Or I'm looking for an evening star, because those are patterns that actually signifies a reversal down to the downward side, right? Now look at this. Now the market actually came here. A lot of people will be looking out to sell this market without waiting, right? Now when they sell, you can see that the market will take their stop loss and start moving all the way up. So guys, the picture, or what I actually want you guys to actually derive from this, is that whenever the market comes to those your resistance point or line, you should not just jump in carelessly. You should actually wait for confirmation for anything, maybe a candlestick pattern, maybe a break, something. Like, just gather up your confirmation or confluence before actually jumping to the trade, because a lot of hungry traders, they'll just jump in here for the sake of trading. They'll just jump in there and then the market will stop them out, and then they'll say trading is a scam, or another day is going to be better. This trade is a better trade, but you don't actually understand why you actually lost that trade. Now another example is this particular one. Now this is my trend line, and this is this other point right here. The market came fall, came here again, fall, came here again, fall. But when the market came down to this point, it didn't make another fall. Actually, it broke all the way up. Same thing I'm actually saying, that when the market hits this your trend line areas, don't just jump into the trade carelessly. For example, now if I'm a hungry trader, when the market touch this my trend line, I'll be looking out to just sell, and then I won't even wait for any candlestick pattern. I'll just jump in for a sell. My stop loss is just up above here, my take profit is at this resistance level, and boom, it hits your stop loss. And then you're saying, maybe today is a bad day. Yeah, it's a bad day, but you caused the bad day, because that trade was a good trade to enter. Now guys, a lot of trade, now that this explanation I've actually given to you guys is what I call the continuation of the trend. Right, now let me show you guys what I actually mean by reversal. Now this is my trend line. The market came here, touch, 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 fall, and they are all falling. But when the market came here, it didn't fall, actually broke up. Now when the market break up, a lot of smart money traders or a lot of retail traders will be waiting for the market to retest this trend line, and the market retested our trend line, and me, if I'm actually on this trade, or because I should be in school by now, right? So when the market actually touches my trend, I'll be waiting just to put my stop loss down here below, and then put my take profit maybe at this other resistance level, or I can just trail my stop loss, right? I'll just be trailing my stop loss. Then if the market is reversing against me, it will hit my stop loss, but I'm still on profit. Now it's either that you want to wait for the market to retest and then you go all the way long, or you can just decide to trade with the trend, and when it breaks out, you're not looking out for any positions, whether to buy or to sell. You're just leaving the market because you actually want to trade the continuation of the trend. Now let me show you guys this particular one. Look at this, guys. The market broke our distance. It came to retest. My stop loss is just down below here. My take profit is at this resistance level. Boom, guys, it hits my take profit. Now either you want to trade the reversal of the trend, or you want to trade the continuation of the trend. It depends on you, but a lot of traders will actually say you should trade with the trend and you should not trade against the trend. But a lot of retail traders and smart traders, they will actually love to take this particular trade because they have seen this type of market movement: a break, a retest, and a rally. Guys, this is actually a good trade that we can actually take. So the picture, or what I actually want you guys to actually denote from this video, is that you can trade the continuation of the trend, or you can trade the break of the trend or retest of our trend line, right? Because a lot of traders that are actually trading from this point, that are going for buy on this point, they are trading from this point right here, guys. They are trading what we call retest of the trend line, break and a retest. Right, look at this. Let me explain it. The break, the retest, the rally. Right, let me also show it here. Look at this, guys. The break, the retest, and the rally. So it depends on you and the type of trader that you want to become. You want to trade with the trend, or you want to trade against the trend. Any way that suits you, right? As far as it's making money for you, that's actually perfect and actually good for you. But I will actually advise traders to actually trade the trend and not against the trend. But if you have experience trading the financial market, you can trade against the trend because you are an expert trader. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video has done justice to those of you who are having some challenges trading Trendline. To join my Telegram group, the link is gonna be in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you up in my next